You've probably heard of PocketGuard, the app that promises to help you save money. But is it safe to trust your financial information with them? Let's dive in and find out. In today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with apps promising to simplify our lives. Financial apps, in particular, have become increasingly popular. They offer a wide range of features, from budgeting to investing. However, with the rise of cybercrime, it's crucial to be cautious about the apps we choose to use. Security measures. So, is PocketGuard safe? Well, let's break down their security measures. Encryption. PocketGuard employs robust encryption techniques to protect your sensitive financial data. This means that even if someone were to intercept your information, it would be virtually impossible to decipher. Data privacy. The app adheres to strict data privacy regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA. This ensures that your personal information is handled responsibly and ethically. Regular security audits. PocketGuard undergoes regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. This proactive approach helps to minimize the risk of data breaches. User reviews and trust. While technical security measures are important, it's equally crucial to consider user experiences and trust. Positive reviews. Many users have praised PocketGuard for its user-friendly interface and helpful budgeting tools. They've also expressed satisfaction with the app's security features. Negative reviews. Some users have raised concerns about minor technical glitches and occasional account issues. However, it's important to note that these issues are relatively uncommon and often resolved promptly by the PocketGuard support team. Ultimately, the safety of using PocketGuard depends on several factors, including your own security practices. Here are some tips to enhance your online security. Strong passwords. Create strong, unique passwords for your PocketGuard account and other online services. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your account. Be wary of phishing attacks. Be cautious of suspicious emails and messages that may attempt to trick you into revealing your login credentials. Keep your software updated. Ensure that your devices and apps are running the latest security patches. With that said, PocketGuard appears to be a reliable and secure financial app. By following best practices for online security, you can minimize the risk of any potential issues. While no app is entirely immune to cyber threats, PocketGuard has demonstrated a strong commitment to security. By combining robust technical measures with a user-friendly interface, the app has earned the trust of millions of users worldwide. So, is PocketGuard safe? Based on the evidence, the answer is a resounding yes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.